Guys, I just wanted to do a quick video unboxing of something that the delivery man just dropped off. And this is just a little bit of a teaser for an upcoming video. And this is one part of what we had just gotten. And here's the other. This is something that I'd gotten a while back from a friend of mine, Josh, over at Summershade Guns. I'll put a link down below in the description. If you guys go over and tell him that I said hello, and glad that he's around to where people can get some items that they would like to have. And I recently picked this up a while back from him, and also made an order something online, and this is how it comes. A very discreet box. And I'm doing this one-handed, guys, so bear with me. And just so you know, I have already opened this once. That's why the seal is broken. I just wanted to show you guys what you get. This is going to be an additional clue. And here's what we have. This is going to be a pistol build that I'm going to do. This is the Palmetto State 10.5-inch barrel. I went with the 5.56 on this for a very specific reason. That reason was I like to shoot, and 5.56 is cheaper than 300 Blackout if you're going to have something that you're going to take out to the range and regularly shoot. But I can order an additional 300 Blackout upper, which I may do later on. But right now, this is something that is going to be the focus of a few videos. So guys, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Also check it out on Full 30, because I don't believe that I'm going to be able to upload this build video to YouTube because of the restrictions that they have. I may try just to see what happens. But again, this is the Palmetto State Armory 10.5-inch lower. And one thing that I did with mine is I got the SBA3 brace right here, which it's cheaper to get the brace as part of a package than it is to get the brace by itself. I looked at them online, and I think by itself it's like $130 just for the brace, and you can get this whole kit for a very reasonable price. But anyways, guys, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Check me out on Full 30. I'll put the links down below.